Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
First of all, thanks to God because for blessing today, we can be here today. Also, thanks to Mr. Mara Untung, our lecturer of English for Communication. And I want to ask you guys, how are you guys?
I'm fine.
I am fine. I hope all of you are good. We are from Group 3 and today we will talk about news writing style. News writing style is important because it enhances credibility, help communicate information clearly, build audience trust, distinguishes fact from opinions, and improve the overall quality of the news. Therefore, it plays a key role in presenting accurate, objective, and engaging information in journalism. I am Tesalonia Octavia Sihaan, and I will be a moderator for today's presentation. Now, let me introduce our speaker. First, Alda will be presenting news writing. Next, Rani will be presenting inverted pyramid style. Next, Nazwa will be presenting the hourglass style. And then Mika will be presenting the focus style. And lastly, Destin will be presenting the narrative style. Before we begin, I kindly ask all of you to stay focused, keep the room calm and respectful, and give your full attention for the special presenter. Now, I'll allow to read the background of our material. In journalism, writing style plays a critical role in delivering news effectively. Although different media may report the same event, each has its own unique way to presenting the information, which become its signature style. There are various news writing styles, such as new interpret pyramid, hourglass, focus, and narrative style. It serves a different purpose depending on the audience and context. Understanding this style helps innovators present news that is clear, concise, and engaging while meeting journalistic standards. Now, let's begin the presentation. First, I would like to invite Alda as our first speaker to present her material. Alda, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. I will explain about the present material and as news writing style. News writing style every news organization prints or broadcasts report the same news. But none of human use actually the same style. They use Bahasa Indonesia to present the news but in different ways in different cases because they're typical of character. Language is like a signature or a fingerprint. None of human is 100%. There are several news writing styles. Formal writing expository, writing style stylist, standard stylist, inverted pyramid style, narrative or focus style, hourglass, agnot, and feature style. And next, most news writing info. Who, what, when, where, why, and how. Important detail and other general info background info. Thank you. I will back to moderator.
Thank you, Alda. Next, I invite Rani to be presenting her material. Rani, time is yours.
Okay, thank you, Tessa. Today, I will explain one of the most important writing style in journalism, called the inverted pyramid style. The inverted pyramid is a news writing style where the most important information comes first. It's shaped like an upside-down triangle, starting from the essential facts and ending with less critical details. This method is commonly used in news articles, blogs, and press releases for quick and efficient delivery of information. This writing style typically has three parts. First is lead. Answer the core question like who, what, when, where, why, and how. The second is study. Present supporting facts and important details. And the last is tell. Give background information or less crucial context. This structure helps readers grasp the key points even if they only read the beginning. Okay, let's look at real example of how this style is used in a news article. Okay, first the lead give out the crucial information right away, like what happened, where, when, how many people were affected. Second, the body provide more details, like the affected subdrastic, water levels, and injuries. And the last, the tail give context about drainage issues, pest flood, and weather forecast. This is a clear example of how the inverted pyramid style help readers get the most important facts fast, even if they don't read the full article. Advantage of the inverted pyramid style include: first, immediate delivery of main facts. Second, editors can cut from the bottom without losing essential information. 3. Save readers' time. And the last, perfect from breaking news. However, it also has some drawbacks. First, can feel repetitive. Second, lacks suspensive or storytelling flow. 3. Might be harder to follow for some readers. And the last, limits creative reading expression. To conclude, even though it has some limitation, the inverted pyramid style remains a vital structure in journalism due to its clarity and efficiency. It's the go-to format when time, accuracy, and clarity are top priorities in English writing. Thank you for your attention. Back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Rani. Now let's hear from our third speaker, Gadisa. Gadisa, the screen is yours.
Thank you, moderator. I will explain the part the hourglass style. The hourglass style is introduced by Clark C. Fadler, 2005, as a combination of the strengths of inverted pyramid style and narrative format. According to Clark, the inverted pyramid often forces writers to tell their story in new natural ways. It also homogenizes the news story about bank robbers and congressional database sounded the same. At the same time, writers who were experimenting with narrative structure for their story often were losing sight of the news. The most important and newsworthy information may be buried so far down that first studied reader never saw it. The hourglass style organizes a news story using the picture below. 1. An inverted pyramid top. 2. The trend. 3. A chronological conclusion. The hourglass story begins in typical inverted pyramid fashion, but after 4 or 5 paragraph stating the central point and most newsworthy facts, the story switches to a chronological narrative. The key to the success of the hourglass format is the trend paragraph, which makes the transition between the inverted pyramid and narrative styles. The hourglass style has 3 parts. An inverted pyramid top that summarizes the most newsworthy information, a trend or pivot paragraph, and a narrative. The inverted pyramid top, which might be only 3 or 5 paragraphs, give readers the most newsworthy information quickly. The narrative allows the reader to develop the story in depth and detail using the storytelling power of chronology. The key cut size is the turn or pivot, which makes the transition between the two formats. Let's see an example of news in PowerPoint. The story is called an example of the hourglass style because its structure follows an hourglass shape consisting in 3 main parts. 1. Inverted pyramid. delivering the main facts directly, perpetrator, modus operandi, number of victims, location, and losses. 2. The transition to the personal story, namely the victims' reports that sparked the investigation. Entry chronological narrative, presenting the chronology from the victim perspective, making the story more vivid and emotional. Okay, thank you. I give back to moderator. Thank you.
Thank you, Gadisa. Now I would like to invite Mika as the fourth speaker. Mika, please continue.
Okay, thank you to moderator to give me the opportunity. Now I will present the third new style, namely the focus style. Like the hourglass style, the focus style tried to incorporate storytelling technique in news writing. However, the difference of them, the focus story begins with a lead that focus on a specific individual, situation or anecdote, and use that to illustrate a large problem. The focus style has four parts. The first is lead, which unlike the lead for an inverted pyramid story, may run 3, 4, 5 paragraphs or more. Also, unlike the hard news lead, the focus lead describes a person, place, situation, or event that might not be newsworthy by itself, but exemplifies a larger problem in this newsworthy. The focus story begins with a lead that to focus on a particular individual, place, or situation. A note graph tells how that individual depicts a more general problem. Instead, the central point of the story. The body of the story develops the central point in detail. The kicker concludes the story and ties it back to the individual in the focus lead. The second part of the focus story is a note graph, which may actually be 2 or 3 paragraphs stating the central point of the story and how the lead illustrates that the point. The third part of the story is the body, which develops the central point in detail, and the final part is 1, 2, or 3 paragraph close or kicker that brings the story to a conclusion. The kicker often relates to the person, place, or situation described in the focus lead. Here, we saw an example of a news using the focus style in PowerPoint. The news is said to use the focus style because it follows the typical structure of the journalistic feature writing that focus on the individual and entry point to raise broader issue. This style aims to attract the attention of reader emotionally and personally before bringing them to a deeper understanding of general issue. The focus style consists of 4 structures, namely 1. Lead, focus on individual specific situation. 2. Note graph, connects to the personal story to a broader issue. 3. Body, detailed explanation of the issue with supporting data. 4. Kicker, returns to the individual or initial scan as an emotional close. Okay, that's all my explanation. Back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Mika, for explanation. Next, I would like to invite Destin, our last speaker. Destin, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. Now I want to present next material. It is about narrative style. Narrative journalism combines 2 main elements. It is a story and a storyteller. The writer acts like a novelist or playwright, portraying people interacting with each other and their surroundings. This style requires journalists to observe character closely and describe scenes vividly, without including personal opinions. Unlike traditional news formats, narrative stories use techniques like chronology, flashback, and dialogue. with a balanced structure of beginning, middle, and end, making the ending essential. Narrative writing also involves narrative thinking, which views events as connected human action driven by motives. Great storytellers are led by curiosity and the urge to understand human behavior. While narrative style allows creative storytelling, international news organizations often stick to format with lens like this in AP style book, emphasizing accuracy, brevity, and clarity. Strong stories often include news values such as proximity, prominence, timelines, human interest, oddity, or consequence. Now, we are to see an example of narrative style. Okay, in this slide we can see that narrative style journalist example about the survival story of baby Aira after the Cianjur earthquake. It begins with an emotional lead describing a fine cry under rebel, building tension as rescuers discover a baby girl alive. The background explains the 5.6 magnitude quake and the family trapped beneath the debris. A research director adds emotional depth, while the story continues with detailed events of the rescue and Aira medical condition. The ending offers emotional resolution, portraying Aira's survival as a symbol of hope amidst tragedy. This narrative blends facts and storytelling to deeply connect with readers. Okay, thank you. Now I want to give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Testin, for your explanation. Now, I would like give opportunity to other groups to ask question. There is only one session Q&A. For anyone have a question, you can raise your hand. Okay, there's three people I see. First is Novi, next Agni, and last is Saskia. For Novi, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. Let me introduce myself. My name is Novi and from Mumbai. Now I want to ask the presenting group question. The question is, what are the main characteristics of a good news writing style? Once again, what are the main characteristics of a good news writing style? Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Novi. Next, I would like to invite Agni. Please go ahead with your question. Okay. Next, let's continue with Jaskia. Please go ahead with your question.
Okay, thank you to my presenter group. I'm Zaskia Ananta. My question is, what is the difference between day lead and day body in a news article? Thank you.
Okay, back to me. Agni. Let's hear from question from Agni. Agni, go ahead with your question.
Thank you to the moderator and the group of presenters who gave me time to ask questions. Why is the use of 5W plus 1H important in writing news? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your understanding. We will take a brief moment to discuss our answer. Thank you. Okay, for the first question, Alda will be explain the answer. Alda, go ahead with your answer.
Okay, thank you to moderator. Here I question Novi. Question Novi yaitu question, what are the main characteristics of a good news writing style? Okay. The main characteristic of a good news writing style are four. The first, clear, questions, objective, and based on facts. Thank you. I will back to moderator.
Thank you, Alda. To Novi, do you accept our answer?
Okay, thank you for your answer. I can accept it. Thank you.
So, move on to second question. To testing, I would like to give opportunity to you to answer Agni Saskia question.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, I will answer Saskia question. The question is, what is the difference between the lead and the body in a news writing? And the answer is, the lead gives the main idea quickly. The body provides more details and background. Okay, that's all my explanation. Back to moderator.
Thank you, Mika. To Saskia, do you accept our answer?
Okay, I can understand the answer. Thank you.
Okay, next, Testin. Testin will answer Agni's question.
Okay, now I will answer Agni question with the question. Why is the of 5W plus 1H important in writing news? Our team answered that it helps provide complete and accurate information about who, what, when, where, why, and how. Okay, I give it back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Testin. To Agni, do you accept our answer?
Thank you for your answer, and I can accept the answer. Thank you.
Okay, guys, that's all. We have reached the end of the presentation. I will read the conclusion. The news writing presents factual information fairly, briefly, and objectively. It avoids opinions, uses simple language, active voice, and subject-verb-object structure. Journalists avoid jargon and long words when short one works. Key elements include the headline, subhead, billboard, and lead. Headlines are short, curly titles, often full sentence. That's all for our groups. We hope this presentation can be useful for us. Thank you.